Hey, this is Marko. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut testing environment problem on iOS or Android. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first one is you have corrupted or outdated app. Now if you have Android, you want to go to settings, apps, CapCut storage. And there you will find options to clear the app data or clear the cache. Choose clear data or clear cache. If that didn't help you out with the problem, just go to the Google Play Store, manage apps, delete it and install it once again. For iOS users, you want to go to settings, general iPhone storage. Look for CapCut in the list of apps and tap on it. Choose delete app. Choose delete app to remove the app and clear its data. And the second way is to check the second one could be that you have poor connection or server issues. So for Android users, go to settings, network and internet, tap on Wi-Fi or mobile data to access the respective settings, turn off and on toggle switch to reset your network connection. Alternatively, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network using different mobile data plan to see if the issue persists. For iOS users, you want to go to settings and tap on Wi-Fi or cellular. Turn off and on the toggle switch to reset your network connection. You can also try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network using a different cellular data plan to troubleshoot the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.